Get ready for magical tales here on Starberry Stories. Giggle!
Deep in a sunny jungle filled with tall trees and colorful flowers, there lived a bright green parrot who loved to talk. He could chatter all day long. "I'm the smartest bird in the jungle," he boasted. "I can warn everyone if danger comes. I can solve any problem." All the animals smiled politely, but sometimes they rolled their eyes. The parrot talked a lot, but he never did much. One afternoon, as the parrot perched high on a branch, he saw a gray wolf quietly padding through the forest. This wolf was different, calm, quiet, and watchful. He never bragged, never shouted, he just did things. One afternoon, as the parrot laughed, "Why are you always so quiet? Don't you want everyone to know how strong and brave you are?" The wolf just smiled. "I'd rather show it than say it," he said softly. Then he walked away. The parrot laughed. "Ha ha! You'll never be famous that way." Days passed, and one evening, a storm swept through the jungle. Thunder boomed, trees fell, and rain poured down in sheets. A big branch snapped, and the parrot's nest crashed to the ground. "Help! Somebody help me!" the parrot cried, flapping his wet wings. But none of the animals came. They thought, "Oh, that's just the parrot talking again." Just then, through the storm came the silent wolf. Without a word, he lifted the branch with his strong jaws, helped the parrot out, and carried him to a dry cave. When the rain stopped, the parrot looked up with teary eyes and whispered, "Thank you, wolf. I've talked so much, but done so little. You didn't say a word, yet your actions said everything." The wolf smiled gently. Sometimes, quiet voices speak the loudest through what they do. From that day on, the parrot still sang, but now he made sure his actions matched his words.